Hello everyone, let's continue Act 1, Scene 1, lines number 144. Now Antonio promised Bassanio that if his plans are as honest as he himself is, he would definitely support Bassanio. In reply to which Bassanio says, "In my school days, when I had lost one shaft, I shot his fellow of the self-same flight." Now see here, Bassanio gives an example. He says that in their childhood days, he used to shoot arrows. And when he would lose one arrow, when I had lost one shaft, means one arrow, I shot his fellow. Shot his fellow means I would fire another arrow of the self-same flight, means having the same power of flight. The self-same way, in the same direction, with more advised watch, means in a more careful manner he would watch the second arrow to find the other fourth, to find the one which he had lost. And by adventuring both, I oft found both. And by risking both the arrows, he usually found both the arrows. Now see, this is exactly like, he's giving this example कि जब वो छोटा था और एक तीर चलाता और वो तीर अगर कहीं खो जाता था तो वो उसी डायरेक्शन में, उसी स्पीड से, उसी वेट का एक और एरो चलाता और फिर इस बार उसको एकदम ध्यान से देखता ताकि वो ये जान सके कि वो एरो कहाँ गिर रहा है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स उसको दोनों एरोज मिल जाते थे. And I urge this childhood proof. Now this is, he says, I am giving you this example of our childhood innocence because what follows is pure innocence. He says that I am giving you this example because I am going to tell you, what I am going to tell you is pure innocence. I owe you much, and like a willful youth, that which I owe is lost. He says, I already owe you a lot because Bassanio had taken huge sum of money from Antonio earlier also, and he had not been able to repay that debt. So he says that I had taken a lot of money from you, and just like a willful youth, that means like a reckless, wild youth, I have lost that money. But if you please to shoot another arrow that self way which you did shoot the first, that means if Antonio is willing to give him a second loan as he had given him the first loan, I do not doubt I will watch the aim or to find both or bring you latter hazard back again. He says that if you give me the second loan as you had given me the first one, I promise you that I will try to repay both the loans. I will watch the aim, means I will make sure that this time I carefully, I am able to repay both your loans or to find both or bring you latter hazard back again. And thankfully rest debtor for the first. He says, I will watch both the loans carefully and I will make sure that I will pay your second loan definitely, if not both the loans. And for the first loan, I will remain your debtor for the rest of my life. Now, why Bassanio is giving this example of arrows? Because he wants to tell him that just as by risking his second arrow, he would usually get both the arrows. In the same manner, if Antonio is ready to give him second loan, he would use that loan to repay both the loans. And if he is not able to repay both the loans, he will surely pay the second one and will remain indebted to Antonio for the first one. Then Antonio says, you know me well. Antonio is actually deeply hurt by Bassanio's speech because Antonio understands that Bassanio is asking for money. And because Antonio truly loves Bassanio, he does not like or is hurt that Bassanio has to be so formal with him in asking for money. He feels that Bassanio should have asked him straight if he needed the money. So he says, you know me well, and herein spend but time to wind about my love with circumstance. He says that you are just wasting your time as well as my time by talking in a roundabout manner, because it only shows that you doubt my love. And out of doubt, you do me now more wrong. He says, I am already hurt because you are asking for the money in such a roundabout manner. And secondly, it shows that you doubt my love. So that pains me even further, in making question of my uttermost, than if you had made waste of all I have. He says, you are being very unfair, in fact, more unfair to me, by doubting my readiness to do the utmost for you than you would have done in wasting all my wealth. मतलब तुम अगर मेरे पैसे लेकर उसको अगर लॉस करते, उतना मुझे दुख नहीं होता जितना कि तुमने अभी मेरी फ्रेंडशिप पर शक करके किया. I should be then do but say to me what I should do, that in your knowledge may be done, and I am pressed unto it, therefore speak. He says, you just have to tell me what I must do, and I promise you that I am prepared to do so. Just let me know what you expect of me. Then Bassanio says that he now discloses his plans. He says, in Belmont is a lady richly left. Richly left means here now he mentions about Portia, the lady he loves. He says, in Belmont there is a lady who is richly left, means who has inherited a lot of money from her father. And she is fair, and fairer than that word. That means she is beautiful. In fact, even more beautiful than the word beautiful itself. Of wondrous virtues, means she has got wonderful virtues, qualities, good qualities. Sometimes from her eyes I did receive fair, speechless messages. He says that sometimes I have received fair, silent messages of love from her eyes. Now see, it's a very important question which you get, that how did Bassanio be sure of Portia's love, or what message did he get from Portia? That is the silent message of love through her eyes. Her name is Portia, nothing undervalued to Cato's daughter, Brutus's Portia. Now, he says that her name is Portia, and she is not in the least inferior to Cato's daughter and Brutus's wife Portia. This is a reference to Shakespeare's play Julius Caesar, in which the main heroine Portia, she is Cato's daughter and she is the wife of Brutus. And she was a very clever and intelligent woman. So Bassanio is saying that my Portia is also no less inferior to that Portia. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe so that you keep repeating more and more videos.